Hello, welcome to Quick Survival. Today we're going to be talking about blizzards, aka the lingering cold. These are severe snowstorms that consist of harsh winds and little to no visibility. Let's get into it. So blizzards are most common in Russia, Northern Europe, Canada, and the northern United States. And things to look out for are temperatures that are below freezing, the wind's howls, or the noises the wind makes, and the visibility of the stuff around you. So how do you survive? Wear the right clothing. Avoid hypothermia and frostbite. Attempt to stay dry and cover all parts of your body, and drink plenty of water.